Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So Instagram have added a new feature that is Instagram Instant, but when people are opening it and clicking on it, it is automatically getting posted. So in this video I will show you how to delete it if you have mistakenly posted or you want to check if you have posted or not. So I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your Instagram and click on this. Here you can see the icon, and here you can see the list of all. So here you can see the list of all. So to check yours, click on this four box. Here you can see. So if you have posted any, you will see the list here. Like here you can see I have one. So to delete this, select this one, and here you can see there is a two reaction. Click on this three dot here and you will see the option here as delete instant. So click on this. So here you can see it's getting deleted. So now there is nothing here. So in this way you can delete it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.